Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, because we post a daily making money online videos. And if you want to buy your dream car, you want to travel all around the world, you want to make the money, you want to enjoy your life, be stress free, pay your taxes, this video is for you, because we help people achieve their dream lifestyle. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video for daily making money online videos. So today's website is called 5 Squid. So 5 Squid is actually a website where you can hire people and do things for you. But today we won't hire any people, we won't pay any money. Today we are gonna make the money. So as you guys can see, this website, you go here, there's the category, there is logo design, Photoshop editing, digital marketing, everything you can hire people from. But today we're gonna make the money. So as you guys can see, there is a lot of categories, but I want to show you guys the trick that we're gonna do to make us $25 per minute, which is crazy. So, and if you stick around till the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a trick that will make you earn more than $25 per minute. So you go type on your search button here in 5 Squid your message on, that's it, and you're gonna boom search. This page will pop up. As you can see, I'll write your message on leaves, I'll write your message on any design. So these people actually gonna pay them $5 to just write your message on any image, which is easily, you don't want any experience to do that. So today we're gonna do this for people. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys that 5 Squid is a website like Fiverr.com, which is actually the same. If guys, we're gonna work as we write messages for people on pages. Actually, you don't need any experience. Let me show you how. You go to a website called hitmeal.com. So this website is actually write the text on the image, and that's what we want. You need to write the text on the image. So let's see, let's for example write, let's get to the money, change image, boom. See guys, it's changed. So, and you can change the image too. So let's say the customer wants an image of his of a cinema screen and his name on the cinema screen. You're gonna put this image that he sent you, you put a change image, and boom, sorry, as a receipt image, and then you can change the image and put the text, and you go back, you deliver it to the customer, and you're gonna earn $5. So guys, the trick for today is to do this as much as possible, like advertise more than one advertisement, and you're gonna get a lot of customers. The best thing about this is that you don't need to do anything. You don't have to be an editor. You just receipt your image, put the image that the customer wants, and you will put that text. And that's the trick for today, and you're gonna do it as much as possible. You're gonna do more than one advertisement, which is good. You'll earn more customers, more money, and you're doing this at the comfort of your own home. You just need to have Wi-Fi and a device. That's easy. And guys, of course, you need to make an account. That's easy step. Most of you guys know how to make an account, which is an easy step. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with people. If you want to make money online together, to inspire other people to make money online, and comment below how do you like this video, and if you got value, comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.